Hi everyone, how are you? This is Madhu Mahesh Raj. So I recently IIIT notification has been released and they have said in detail what are the subjects that is to be included in the exam. So we came to know that through the notification that mathematics is for 50 marks, physical science is for 25 marks, and biology, natural science is for 25 marks. Right. This is the syllabus they have given. So I am with a new test series. Already I have conducted few tests, few mock tests based on the syllabus that were given in the according to the polyset. I thought to according to that I have conducted the mock test, but as the IIIT has already given the notification what are the subjects that were included, so I am with a new test series. Okay, new test series, and in this test series we will be having physical science 25 questions and biology 25 questions. As we know that in the exam, IIIT exam, natural science and the physical sciences for 50 marks. So I'll be conducting every day at 1 p.m. you will be having a test which consists of physical science 25 bits and biology 25 bits, so total 50 bits, that is for 50 marks. Okay, this is a new test series, and the students who are very much interested to write this test series, in the description part of this video I have given a WhatsApp group link. So those who are very much interested, they can add there. And before that, let me tell you one thing, that the test series just cost is only 5 rupees, just 5 rupees. I think 5 rupees, you know how cheap is that test series. Every day, those who want to write the test every day, they'll be, if you want, you can just pay just 5 rupees. 5 rupees is not a very big amount, I think. Every day you'll be wasting around 10 rupees or 15 rupees for eating the things, eatable things, right? So 5 rupees, I think it is very, very, very cheap. Why I am taking this 5 rupees? Because it takes me to write the test, prepare the test questions, right? So it take me around 3 to 4 hours of time to create the test for each and every day. So a little bit effort is being done here. That is the reason very less cost I am taking, just 5 rupees for each test. For each test 5 rupees, and every day those who want to write the test, just I'll be giving this Google Pay number in the description part. Just pay the amount and you give the email ID. Okay, you just give the email ID or the link or the number, phone number, or the phone number to that number directly. If you want the link to the phone number whatever you are giving to me, I'll be sending you the link. And one more thing, that you can write number of times, infinity number of times you can write the same test. Understanding what I'm saying? So 5 rupees is worthy enough for you if you're paying the 5 rupees. Same 50 bits, think that in the first time when you attended this test, first time you have got only 10 marks out of 50. Think that you have got 25 marks out of 50. Again you try to attempt it until you get 50 out of 50. Try to attempt it. So many number of times you can attempt the same test. At the same time, the key and the explanation part will be given after 8 o'clock every day. After 8 o'clock I'll be giving this explanation part, key part, in the form of video in my YouTube channel, that is our MS Study Cloud. Understood? So it's a very interesting part, right? So it's just 5 rupees, you're attempting every day 50 bits. 50 bits, so you can guess it, 50 bits for 5 rupees is very cheap. Along with that, you can write many number of times you can attempt the test, and the explanation part will be given after 8 o'clock. From 8 to 9 in between you can get the video for the explanation part. Okay, understood everyone? So I am with a new test series. Those were very much important. In the description part, the WhatsApp group link is given. So those who want to write the test every day, just pay for. If you think that today you want to write the test before 1 o'clock, before 1 o'clock you should pay, just pay 5 rupees, and at 1 o'clock in the group I'll be giving the link. You can attempt. Sir, no sir, I want individually, personally, that link. So I'll be giving you personally. Why? Because some people will be adding into the group and they will not pay the amount, they just want to write it. So those who want to pay the amount, just 5 rupees, man. 5 rupees in these days is very cheap, I think. Just pay it and write the test many number of times. So this is the interesting thing what I want to say. It okay, attempt the test. Very less days are left. Now the game is on. You have to write the test. So why I'm started this test series, because more the questions you attempt it, if the same type of questions comes in the exam, it will be very easy to write the exact correct option, such that you can get a seat in the triple IT. Understood? So those who are very much zeal, those who have a very much goal in your mind that I should get a seat in the triple IT, just take this test series. Every day you'll be having a test at 1 p.m. Understood, everyone? So have a good day. This is Madhu Mahesh Raj signing off. Bye.